Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate your photo with the Instasize app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Instasize app. Tap on the plus on the bottom of your screen, then select the first option, the library. Then you can select a photo from your library, and if you scroll to the right on the bottom of your screen on the menu bar, your last option will be this rotation option. Then you can rotate your photo like this, or vertically, or horizontally. And when you are ready, then you just go and save your photo to your gallery. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.